When you're managing Copilot across an enterprise, budgets need to follow your org structure, not individual users. Here's how the new cost center controls make that work. First, you map enterprise teams to cost centers. Team membership becomes cost center membership, and it stays in sync automatically as people join or leave. Next, you turn on the cost center AI credit pool. This gives the cost center its own spending cap on included usage from the enterprise AI credit pool, which is calculated based on license pooled contribution. Finally, you apply a user level budget at the cost center. Every user in that cost center gets the same per person spending limit. In this example, it's $50 a month. And if you have a power user who needs more, an individual override always takes precedence. But remember, for all budgets, whether it's user level, cost center, and enterprise, the lowest remaining headroom wins. These new features make cost center management easier at scale. Assign enterprise teams, manage user level budgets at the cost center level, and apply included usage caps from the enterprise AI credit pool. And because enterprise teams sync with your identity provider groups, membership stays current without manual work.